When buying a used car, checking the engine's health is one of the most critical steps. A well-maintained engine ensures longevity, reliability, and fewer costly repairs. Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will go through detailed step-by-step guide to help you assess the engine's condition before making a purchase. Perform a visual inspection. Pop the hood and look for obvious issues. Check for leaks. Look under the car for oil spots, coolant puddles, or other fluids. Check around the engine block gaskets and seals for signs of leakage. Burnt oil smell, that could indicate oil leaks onto hot engine parts. Inspect hoses and belts. Radiator hoses should be firm, not brittle or cracked. Serpentine belt and timing belt or chain cracks or fraying indicate wear. A loose belt can cause alternator, power steering, or AC failure. Check for rust or corrosion. Rust on the engine block or major components is a bad sign. Corrosion on battery terminals can lead to starting issues. Check engine oil condition. Engine oil is the lifeblood of the motor. A quick oil check can reveal a lot. Checking the oil level and quality. Pull the dipstick engine off, car on level ground, wipe it clean, then reinsert and pull it out again. Look for good oil, golden brown, smooth consistency. Dirty oil, dark, thick or gritty means poor maintenance. Milky oil could indicate coolant contamination, head gasket failure. Foamy oil, possible moisture contamination, which is a red flag. Low oil level could indicate leaks or excessive consumption. Inspect coolant condition. Check coolant level in the reservoir. Never open the radiator cap when hot. Good coolant, bright green, pink, or orange, depending on type. Bad coolant, brown or muddy color, equals rust or contamination. Oil in coolant. Milky residue inside the coolant tank equals head gasket failure. Start the engine and listen for unusual noises. A healthy engine should start smoothly and run quietly. A consistent, smooth idle with no strange noises. A light ticking sound on startup is okay, but loud knocking isn't. Warning sounds to watch for: knocking, deep thud sound, worn bearings or engine damage, ticking, rapid clicking noise, low oil pressure or valve lifter issue, grinding or whining, timing chain or belt or accessory pulley issues, hissing sound, possible vacuum leak or coolant leak. Check the exhaust smoke color. No smoke is the best case, indicating a healthy engine. White smoke that's thin and evaporates quickly is usually just normal condensation in cold weather. But if you see thick white smoke, it could mean a coolant leak, possibly a head gasket failure. Blue smoke means the engine is burning oil, which could be due to bad piston rings or valve seals. And black smoke, that indicates excess fuel burning, which might be caused by bad injectors, a clogged air filter, or a rich fuel mixture. Engine vibrations and performance are also critical. While idling and driving, pay attention to how the engine feels. Excessive vibrations might mean worn engine mounts or misfires. If the car shakes while accelerating, it could indicate ignition or fuel system problems. Hesitation or sluggish acceleration might point to a fuel or air intake issue. Check the dashboard for warning lights. If the check engine light or cell is on, ask for an OBD2 scan to read the codes. An oil pressure or temperature warning light indicates serious issues. Tip: you can buy an inexpensive OBD2 scanner or ask a mechanic to check for codes. Take the car for a test drive. The best way to assess engine health is by driving the car. During acceleration, the engine should rev smoothly without hesitation. There should be no jerking or misfires when pressing the gas. While driving at different speeds, the engine should not stutter or lose power. Pay attention to how the transmission shifts, especially if it's automatic. When braking or slowing down, the engine should not stall when coming to a stop. Listen for knocking or sputtering. Check service history and maintenance records. Regular oil changes every 5,000 to 10,000 miles. Has the timing belt or chain been replaced, if applicable? Any major engine repairs in the past? Tip: a well-documented service history usually means better maintenance. Get a professional inspection if unsure. If you're serious about buying the car, have a trusted mechanic do a pre-purchase inspection or PPI. A mechanic can check for hidden problems like internal engine wear, hidden leaks, compression issues, and past accident damage. Final checklist for a healthy engine: no visible leaks or rust. Clean oil, not too dark, no metal shavings. Coolant is clean and not contaminated. Engine starts easily and idles smoothly. No excessive exhaust smoke, no knocking, ticking or rough vibrations, no check engine light or warning signs, smooth acceleration and braking. If the car passes these tests, the engine is likely in good condition. Would you like help interpreting OBD2 codes or evaluating a specific used car?